Well, I have to tell you, this is a pretty exciting time out here at Redlands Ranch. Even though we haven't officially launched yet, work is already taking place. We're pretty excited about it too. We've come out here, we planned where the blinds are going to be, we've planned where the astrophotography trail is going to be, we've planned where the habitat improvements are going to take place. So now it's just a matter of starting to execute each one of those plans and make it come to fruition. The country looks great right now. We're right at the end of fall, about 3 weeks from the first day of winter, and just driving out today, I've seen a lot of wildlife, seen deer, seen turkeys, all kinds of animal signs everywhere. So I'm pretty excited about getting the water holes in and getting the blinds in and just starting this project. This whole thing's been a long time coming. I've been working on this Redlands Ranch concept for about 10 years now, and because of different challenges and different things, you know, just kind of life happens, and because of that, it's been delayed and delayed and delayed. But now I think we finally got the momentum to make this whole thing happen. So stay tuned as we go through this whole project. I think you're going to be surprised at all the things we're going to do. So stay tuned, and I look forward to taking this journey along with you.